In this video, we're going to walk through how to integrate Zoho Desk with your Profit.co account. This integration allows you to automatically track your support metrics from Zoho Desk as key results in Profit.co, eliminating manual updates and keeping your OKRs in sync with your customer support performance. First, open the Zoho Desk app and click on the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password and click on Sign In button. If you're a new user, fill in the required details and click Create Zoho Desk account to complete your setup. Now, switch to your Profit.co account. Navigate to Settings from the left navigation panel and click on Integrations. Switch to the User Level tab and enable the toggle for Zoho Desk. After enabling the integration, navigate to Preferences from the left navigation panel and select the Integrations tab. Locate Zoho Desk and click the Manage button. Click on the Sign into Zoho Desk button. Enter a connection name, this can be anything you prefer, and click Sign into Zoho Desk again. You'll be redirected to your Zoho account. Enter your username to allow Profit.co to access data in your Zoho Desk account. Click Accept. Your Profit.co account is now successfully integrated with Zoho Desk. To start tracking Zoho Desk metrics, create a new key result where you want to integrate Zoho Desk data. Enter your key result name. Select the appropriate key result type and KPI. Zoho Desk KPI supports increase, decrease, and control KPI types. If you choose percentage tracked to monitor progress, only the happiness rate metric can be calculated. Enable Automate Check-in, then choose Zoho Desk from the Connection dropdown. On the Connect to Zoho Desk tab, select your connection name, department, KPI list, and the view. At this step, you can choose from multiple Zoho Desk KPIs available for tracking in Profit.co, such as calls, events, happiness rate, resolution time, response time, tasks, and tickets. Profit.co fetches the data for each of these KPIs directly from Zoho Desk based on your selected department and view. For example, when selecting the KPI as calls and choosing all calls in the view, the data is pulled directly from the calls module in Zoho Desk. You can verify this by navigating to the calls section and viewing the records based on your selected filters and view. Similarly, tickets, tasks, events, and other KPIs are also fetched directly from their respective modules in Zoho Desk. In Profit.co, the response time value is calculated based on how quickly responses are provided to tickets using response time data fetched from Zoho Desk. The resolution time value is calculated based on how quickly tickets are resolved using resolution time data fetched from Zoho Desk. Similarly, the happiness rate is calculated based on customer feedback collected after a ticket is resolved. The ratings provided by users are used to determine the overall happiness rate using data fetched from Zoho Desk. The same mapping applies across all selected KPIs, ensuring that the values displayed in Profit.co are directly aligned with your Zoho Desk data. After making your selections, you'll see the current value displayed. You can also set the current value as the start value by checking the Set as Start Value checkbox. Once everything is configured, click Add. Once the key result is successfully created, click on the Check-in button. The progress data will be automatically pulled from your connected Zoho Desk account based on your configured metrics. Review the data on the check-in page and click Update to finalize the check-in. Your key result progress is now updated with the latest data from Zoho Desk. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoho Desk with Profit.co. Your key results will now automatically update based on your customer support metrics, keeping your OKRs aligned with your team's actual performance without any manual effort. Thanks for watching.